in front of Allah, our efforts are important. Results are not important, right? Results will be given by Allah. So our job is to train you guys and help assist you guys throughout the job. Okay. So first thing first. So there are few things which I wanted to talk about. The first thing is we have the current opening. Okay. So for freshers, I will also talk about the experience guys. So current opening for freshers. So this is a very well-known organization. So organization. So we are so you know the PSF Professional Solidarity Forum. So this is a professional hub. So I'm one of the core team member of the PSFs, and a few days back I met with two HRs from the very big organizations, and I like spoke about the courses which we are running and about you guys. So he said there is some good requirement in one of the well-known organizations. The organization name I cannot say now. Once you get the call, you will get to know. So very big organization. Everyone know about that organization. So there is openings there. So I said so. There are three rounds actually. Round one. Okay. So for the freshers, round one, round two, and round three. So the round one will be what is called basic. They will see the basic communication. Okay. The second round will be bit some technical and all, and third round will be directly from the client. So they will take you interview. So if you uh, anyone who clear this three round, so they will get offer inshallah, and that offer will be that is good to start. It will be around 1.8 to some 2.6 lakh per annum. So this is the package they are providing. So it will be so for the fresher. Instead of wasting time, so it is a good opportunity and to work with a well-known organization, and you will get your big tag there. Okay. So as I told, the communication is the key. Communication is the key for cracking any job. Okay. So today what we have done is we receive 16 members resume. So we forwarded to the directly to the HR. So they will now maybe um, tomorrow is Saturday, right? Maybe from the next week you will start getting calls and all. So you will get this one, and we'll update you soon, like one by one. You will start getting calls, and the I think the second round will be some test will be there, some online test. First you will get the call from the third party, and they will ask you please click that link, and there will be some test, online test you have to give within 1 hour 2 hours something. So they will explain you what is that. So once you clear that, then the third round will be the this one, client round. So like very serious, like those are desperately looking for the job. So this is the opportunity for you. So don't waste this opportunity. And after this, meanwhile I am working with some two different HR. I cannot say the company name. So there is this is also for the fresher. One uh, okay, to say one and one. So two more interviews we are going to conduct. So that also will explain you very soon. So meanwhile, so your profile is very important. Okay, profile is getting built. So let me share my screen. Okay, it's already shared, right? So resume. So, okay, job hunt. Okay, and for the freshers, for the experience, like we have Riaz. Okay, so for experience guys, okay, experience guys. So what we see your computer hardware networking is completed, right? Computer
Yes.
hardware and networking is completed. Then your server will get completed soon. Okay, then you are going to complete the CCNA by end of this month. Okay, then you will be adding with the AWS. So by using this all technologies, we will revisit your resume. Okay, we will revisit your resume, and you will add all these technologies here. So how to add that? So if you see here, this is one of the resume. नहीं होता वो open. Okay, fine. So in your resume, see area of expertise. Okay, so area of expertise. So these are the places where you need to change. Let's say like when you learn the routing and switching, the CCNA, then you can put this point, because you must
Yes.
be learning about this. Then you completed the server administration, right? So you can just add another stuff here.
Okay.
Add here and say server technologies. And what are things you know about the server? So just write down here. Like installation, installation, comma, comma, configuration and management of Windows Server. Okay. Installation. See, the beauty of this one is it will give you red mark if any spelling mistakes. Okay, Windows servers. Okay, next, what you know? See, can you see knowledge on server? Active Directory. Okay, this is very important. Active Directory. DNS, Exchange, DSCP, FTP. So these all are very important topics. So you need to add like this. Okay, and if you have any certification, then you can put the in your education and certification. And in your current job, whatever job you're using, so you can add these points, no problem with that. So no one is coming to you and asking that can you show me how you're working, can you take the picture, you're working on server. No one will ask. So you can say that, because see, this practice you can do it. Okay, and you can mention that in your current job you are working on it, you have this role. So your then your interview will be based on the technology. Like just now I asked you one question, DSCP. Similarly, what is Active Directory? The question will be uh, then what is the domain? What is mean by domain? So these are the server questions. Then when you learn the Cisco technologies, then the questions will be what is the VLAN, what is the VTP, what is the STP, what is the EIGRP, what is the difference between OSPF and EIGRP. So these are the questions will be come as a technical. So you need to be very confident. You need to be very confident, and you need to be answer it very well. See, short answer, but it should be sweet. Okay, give the short answer. So he will, and always show that you know everything. Even the guy who is taking your interview, he see, no one is perfect in this world. Okay, no one is perfect. So the thing is, only we have to we need to show the confidence is very important. You have the confidence, you will win. So these are the some points. Okay, so for freshers, okay, and see, for the fresher, I'm telling one point. Remember this point very clearly. If someone if someone call you an HR or someone, so if they ask you any condition, are you okay for rotational shift? Rotational shift means what? It is a you will 1 week you will get a day shift,
Day shift and
second
night
shift,
shifts.
and the night shift. So rotational shift. So are you okay with that? Yes. Are you okay with this timing? Yes. उन्हें बोलने से पहले yes बोल देना. आपको जॉब होना क्या, नहीं होना क्या, तो yes ऐसा नहीं बोलना. So everything should be yes. So are you willing to relocate? Yes. Say yes. Why? Because your first condition is to grab the job. Okay, grab the job. So this is your first condition. You need to get this job, right? And like very soon, inshallah, like we will be having what is called um, some more interviews. Okay, now let me talk with something. Okay, how many of you? Okay, last week, I think last Saturday, I have explained about how to upload your resume on Monster and all. How many of you updated your profile on the monster.com? No one? Muzammil?
Yes, sir, updated, but before not for this job, IT job.
Mm-hmm.
Before I starting the course, I will update it, but after that, I'm not updated.
Okay, okay. So, okay, what about Abdul Rahim, Abdul Wase? Amjad?
Yes, sir. Even I uploaded before joining this course. Sir. Before joining, 1 week only, sir.
So,
I was
what
yeah.
is the problem? Like, are you finding difficulty to upload the resume?
No, sir. It's easy. That's we need to. If you click upload resume, it direct goes to documents.
Yes, so
Then we,
get uploaded now.
No, sir. Sir, actually, I think we. I think that first we got some knowledge and then we'll update. I. That's why I don't update after joining this class because
Okay,
I want to
okay,
get a
fine.
job in IT field.
Mm-hmm.
Before joining this class, I have no knowledge on IT field. That's
Mm-hmm.
why I wait for some time. That's why
Okay.
by on the time of joining, we are not updated.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. So, see, if you like, even if you upload that, so at least you will see the what is the market demand, or how the market is. Are you getting calls? Are you getting emails or not? So this thing, you see, no one will stop you. And see, joining the job, until unless you sign that, you will unable to join the job. Even you apply for the interview, attend the interview, get the experience. That's what I'm saying. So don't wait to till the February end, till all the courses completed. वो तो हो जाएगा, course will come, but the process, at least see, after course again it will take 15 days for you to upload and this thing. So do it now. Whatever the your current resume, just put the um, desktop support, IT support, or put the network, and then nothing will happen. At least you will see how many emails you are receiving, how many calls you are receiving. You will get that idea. So even, see, these are some samples is resume. I think Mannan, he will share you in the group. So you can use this, no problem. But why I'm saying is, if because see, after February, if you join that, and then we will not be having any visibility. And like that's what I'm saying. um, Update the resume. Okay, whatever the resume you have, upload it on the Google, or your Nokia.com, Master.com, and start receiving the emails. See if there any walk-ins are there, put it into the group. Hey guys, there is a walk-in for the freshers. So the people will go for the interview, right? This is how the thing will go. सो मैं पूरा हुए बादिश खाऊंगा, पूरा बने बादिश करूंगा, ये डोंट think about this. See, no doubt this is a good practice that you complete everything then only apply, that's fine. Okay, लेकिन अभी अप्लाई करें तो आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या? इफ यू डू अप्लाई टुडे सो एटलीस्ट यू विल सी, आपको पैटर्न मालूम हो जाएगा ना, 1 महीने के अंदर आपको पैटर्न मालूम हो जाएगा कि कितने मेल्स आ रहे हैं, फ्रेशर की कितनी वैल्यू है, कितना एक्सपीरियंस लगाना पड़ेगा मेरे को, कितना जो सो मार्केट ओपन है, एवरीथिंग यू विल कम टू नो. That is why I'm telling you. So put the resume. So what about Riaz? Riaz, have you uploaded your
Yes.
resume?
Yes, I have uploaded, but I have not added this experience till now.
Okay, okay.
But
So
I'm doing the course.
okay, for you, don't apply now. Don't upload now.
Okay.
So
Okay.
for you, we will prepare. We will work for that. So all the
Yes.
for the experienced people, we will work. See, guys, the reason we are here, we are with this course just because we want to help each other. That is only the reason. Otherwise, I'm not taking even a single rupees. I'm not asking anyone about the money. Not you are giving, not I'm taking. Okay, we are just here to serve to community, right? So for this, the response, the way of response we are getting, which is very very disappointed. So now I will not ask anyone why you are not joined and why did not come. So see, whoever joined, so they will get benefit. Okay, and they will get like what will happen once you get the job. So other will look at you. Why? Because you have completed the course and you gone through with the course, and that's why you are getting the job. Otherwise, getting job is not a simple one. So मैं जैसा बताया था 10 इंटरव्यूज देने के बाद आपको पता चलेगा कि इंटरव्यू क्या है. देन यू विल सी दैट व्हाट टाइप ऑफ इंटरव्यूज विल बी देयर. आपको जैसे धूप में ठहरना पड़ेगा, लाइन में ठहरना पड़ेगा. वॉक-इन्स जब रहते कभी जाओ कंपनी में, आपको जैसे लाइन दिखेगी वहां पे. डोंट से दैट आई एम इंजीनियर, एवरीवन इज इंजीनियर देयर. So the competition is there. So what unique you have, what difference you have, why should company will hire you, these all things. और उसके अलावा like every Sunday I'm bringing a new meet the professional, like आपके सामने जो सब बड़े बड़े प्रोफेशनल्स उनको ला रहा हूँ मैं. So I'm trying my best so that you can interact, you can learn from there, ask the questions. So with next Sunday I'm bringing Mr. Haqqani. He's a like a very he's a life coach. He is a good speaker in very renowned organization. So if you attend his lecture, so you will see that who is he. And you know, outside when these guys they charge very heavily for the lectures, but for this platform they are not charging even a single money. This is just for sake of Allah. So don't waste the time. Utilize that. Attend everything. Whatever we are putting into the group, everything is important. Nothing is timeless. I'm not sharing anything related to entertainment and all. Everything is important. Okay. And see, I have not taken a guarantee of that everyone will get job. We are just trying to give you the direction, correct direction, that this is the direction where you will get the job. So direction is important. So with this direction, inshallah, you will get the correct. So we are asking you, don't go into the wrong direction, don't waste your time, don't waste your money. So that is why this platform is right. So okay, so let me ask one more question. What is mean by domain? Anyone?
Domain is a boundary in which
Server. Yes, answer.
in which all the hello in which all
Mm-hmm.
in which server domain is secure boundary in which all the server and
Okay. Anyone else? Amjad?
Yes, sir. Sir, it's a logical, secure administration boundary of domain model, sir.
Okay, good. And what is the DNS?
Domain naming systems, and it provides name to the IP address. We can, if we can't remember IP address, no, sir, every time of every site, so we need to means like we can remember names usually. Like we, I know like Usman Ali and Muzammil, but we don't know their phone numbers. So they will be have particular name. They will assign particular names to remember easily. Like
Very
that.
good, very good, very good answer. Okay, so like what is the okay? You can mute. What is mean by user profile? Why use the user profile? We create the user profiles on the server, right? So what is the use of that?
For login purpose.
Okay,
We want
Like
to
in user will be having all the information. When he log in, he can save all the things.
Mhm. Have you seen the lab of creating the users and all?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Sir,
And
Last weekend we had lab.
okay,
and it's for security purpose also, sir. The administrator can watch the user what he is doing, what he cannot do means what he is doing actually in office work. He is doing sincere or obedience like.
very good. Amjad, have you applied for this current opening to send your resume?
Yes, sir. I applied.
Okay, and Osman Ali, are you experienced or fresher?
no, no. I am experienced, sir. Like I have I met you on that day in the office.
Got it. I remember. I remember.
I think you
Yeah,
remember me. Yes, sir.
yeah, yeah, I remember. Okay, okay, no problem. So, like, what is mean by have you learned about the SNMP or Active Directory? Can you tell me the what is the Active Directory?
Active Directory is actually a database in a server. Like we have NTDS, a database in the server, which is actually used to manage, configure, manage, and control the end users, all the privileges and everything we can control through Active Directory. So it's Active Directory is like a basically a dashboard wherein we can get all the information about the end users, all the privileges and everything. We can like server or an admin from one end can using Active Directory, he can actually install, configure, monitor through his end, using Active Directory.
Okay, good, good. This is good answer. What about Abdul Wase and Azimuddin? Are you guys fresher or experienced? Abdul Wase, Azimuddin.
Fresher.
So you apply for you send the your resume.
Yeah.
Okay, and Azimuddin. अजीमुद्दीन भाई लॉगिन करके सो गए क्या? Okay. Okay, fine. So, guys, just bear with us, okay? And like this, like by end of this week, I think the server will get completed, and you will start with the Cisco Cisco technologies, and then the next month I think we will start with the AWS. So don't just follow the guidance and ask the notes to the faculty. I think he provided the notes also. So ask the notes and read the theory, prepare your own notes, watch the Google, see the search on the Google, and watch the YouTube. Okay, and you utilize this time because after February, once you are in the market, you will not get time to study. So this is the time to study and do the lab. Okay, so we'll stop here. Any questions for me?
Yes, sir. You forget to share a resume sample. Hello.
Yeah, actually, this resume sample is for experience. That's why.
No. Uh, basic points I will add in my resume. Some basic points in that
Okay,
resume.
okay,
I will
okay,
add
fine.
in
I
my
mean, he's sir. Excuse me. He's asking. We are studying, sir, this course like Microsoft administration, server
Okay,
administration, and hardware and installation, where he need to conclude these topics in resume. He's asking.
okay. Can you do one thing? Can you ask your server sir? Just ask him, sir. Can you view us as any server administrator resume? So you see, so that you can get some points from there, some network
Yeah,
points, network
some
info.
other vision from that side. That
Exactly,
side.
exactly. These are the different jobs. So ask him. If he don't have, then I will provide you. I need to search that for server things. And what are the resume I have? I will ask Manan to share it into the group. Okay. And
Okay.
everyone, please apply for the interview which we are going to conduct soon. So make sure your email address is correct and make sure your mobile is in the network. So hopefully next week you will get call and we'll get some updates on this. Okay.
sir. What is profile? That's why we studied. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
प्रोफाइल क्या है सर उसके हिसाब से स्टडी करने आती है
No, see, for the fresher, this profile is like it is a semi-technical, and they required us just a computer knowledge. So they are not looking
ओके
for a server or something. So these are the points. So there, once you get the call, you will understand. So it is basically what exactly the profile they're looking for.
Sir,
But
you have already shared that on group as well, sir. A detailed post was there
yeah,
asking for that, So wherein just with the job profile, if we search on Google, sir, just how you said, wherever you are doing, you search on Google. So it will give what sort of roles and responsibilities. You can just go to Google and you can type roles and responsibilities of this specific like
role.
profile. So
Right, right,
roughly we'll come to know, like, basic idea we can get with that as well. Like,
right. True, true, true. So actually, Muzammil is talking about the current opening, like
Yes, sir.
which,
About current opening, I was saying, like, I think 2 days or 3 days before, you have posted on the group, like, about this semi-technical opening.
right, right.
So
So
I'm saying that, he was asking for roles and responsibilities. Actually, in our English class, ma'am is daily saying us, like, whichever job you apply, you try to do a research on the company or, your job profile so that you can prepare accordingly. So in that
exactly,
context, Mr. Muzammil was asking that question.
yes, yes.
So I said
So
that, even if he say look into that, he'll get an idea complete, like what will be the roles and responsibilities like.
right. Apart from that, just basic computer knowledge and the communication. So these are the two requirements for the fresher for now. Okay. So we'll stop here, and inshallah, I think your next classes we will see, and next week again I will meet you inshallah, and we'll talk further, and just continue with your Microsoft server and CCNA. Then I will take one backup class. So I will summary class, and in between I may join the course and I will ask you the questions. So just be prepared and see, this is the preparation. I just wanted to show you like
Yes, sir.
that. Okay, what are the things required? How the HR
Yes, sir.
will ask?
Yeah,
What will the
yeah, yeah.
questions and
Yes, sir.
right?
It was very useful. Like, you whatever questions you asked today in today's class, it was like a revision for us all these days.
Exactly. This
What
is the
we had.
interview question. This is the
Yes,
interview
sir.
questions.
So it's like a revision for us. Whatever you asked today in the class, like, it was all
Right.
complete revision of our server classes. Very useful, sir.
Right.
Very, very beneficial. Alhamdulillah.
Okay.
Sir,
Hi.
tomorrow will be administration class, sir. Server administration.
Please ask Manan.
Okay, sir. Yeah, because
He-
we need to ask about the notes, sir,
okay,
about
okay.
ADS and DHCP.
Sure,
Sir
sure, sure.
provided about DHCP, but we need to he need to give about ADS, sir. About
Okay,
in
okay.
details he said about.
Ask him. Ask about the
Okay,
class, and if you have a lab something, you can ask.
okay.
Okay, guys. So inshallah, that's it. We'll meet, continue this one, and hope for the best. Okay. Love this.
Inshallah. Thank you,
Allah
sir. Thank you
Hafiz.
very much for
Thank
your
you. Allah
time.
Hafiz.
Welcome.
Allah
Thank you
Hafiz.
very much for your time and concern, sir. God
Thank you.
bless you. Thank you, sir.